Hello everyone, welcome back to series Real Car Coding Jobs, brought to you by the technicians at Car Diagnostic Software. Today, we've received a case where the customer replaced the SRS module, and now the car is showing pelvis airbag coding errors. So in this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps to diagnose and recode the SRS module on this Mercedes. Let's get started. Incorrect coding may cause serious system errors. If you need remote coding support, contact us via WhatsApp. To perform this job, you'll need the full Mercedes Diagnostic software package, including Xentry and DTS Monaco. Next, prepare one of the following diagnostic devices to connect to the vehicle: SD Connect C4, MB Star VCI C6, TabScan T6 Xentry, VCX SE, TabScan T6 Elite. Our first step is to read the vehicle with Xentry. Here, you can clearly see the fault stored in the SRS system. This type of error usually appears when the SRS module has been taken from another vehicle and the configuration doesn't match the original car. So now, we will move to DTS Monaco to coding the module correctly. Step 1. Read SRS module faults. Step 2. Unlock the SRS module. Step 3. Coding and verify configuration values. Step 4. Lock and perform hard reset on SRS module. Step 5. Read and clear fault codes.